I'm going, go shopping. Do, 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 do. Oh, wait. I totally forgot. The YouTube channel's going on, and I have to deliver this Axolotl bag. Today, we're going to be decorating an IKEA bag with paint, well, fabric paint. Things you will need: a bunch of different colors of fabric paint or fabric markers, and an IKEA bag. You don't have to use an IKEA bag, sure, or it could be on a card. First, you draw a sketch on a piece of paper. Next, you grab some scissors and you fold your sketch in half. Then you cut right on that little line. Then you unfold it. Then when you put your scissors in, it goes through without you having to cut all the way through the paper. So then you just cut. Once you're done, you use the cutout, not the drawing. See, I kind of cut that out there. So a couple of my pieces broke off, or I accidentally snipped them off, but it's fine. Sometimes it looks kind of like it doesn't look like it should look, but we'll eventually fill it in with paint. Cut out is cut out. You grab a Sharpie and you trace it because my cutout broke, and if it doesn't look good, you can paint over the Sharpie. It does not look good. You got a big melon head. He is skinny. Scrawny little guy. And his scrawny little feet. They're like little skinny worms. Now we have our outline done. A derp axolotl with no face. Now I'm going to get my paints out. I'm using red and pink. Pink for the body and red for the frills. Crazy looking axolotl's done. Put the cap on, and I'll switch to another color. I'm using pink for the body. Almost done. Now I'm just putting the eyes. Body is done. I'm going to find a template. It's almost done. Body is done. I'm going to find a template, which is my axolotl one I used, except they're mini ones, so I can add him holding a drink or little hearts all over the place. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now I got my derp axolotl. So it takes 12 or 24 hours for this to dry. So I'm just going to make some background. I'm going to add some hearts next to him. Come on, paint, don't give out on me. Okay, this is what I got so far. A derp axolotl with hearts. Right here or somewhere on it, I'm gonna write my signature, like your name, to show that you painted it. I've got my own special signature. This is my name in Runic, and you can just write your name anywhere on it to show that it's yours, your work, you did it. Hi, welcome back to Cora's Crafts. Everything's all dry and we're going to add maybe some things on top. I probably shouldn't have done the face because it's smudged and now it just doesn't look good. So I'm gonna add him holding a boba cup. So I got the cutout for it, just like the other. And I'm done. So this is what it looks like. I got my derp axolotl holding a cup of boba. Hope you liked it. Bye!